Good morning. What's happening? How's everyone doing? All right, market's up a bit. We've actually rallied about another 10 basis points across the board in the last half an hour or so. Not a ton of news. We're just continuing to get more and more optimistic language out of U.S.-China talks. There's a couple quotes in there that Mnuchin said they've pretty much agreed on the enforcement mechanism, and he said that if we can complete this agreement, this will be the most significant changes to the economic relationship between the U.S. and China really in the last 40 years. So just nothing concrete, but things seem to be rolling around. Brexit vote was extended out to Halloween. I believe May is speaking right now. She was speaking about 10 minutes ago, taking questions from Parliament. Who knows if she'll be around as Prime Minister when Halloween rolls around, but we'll see. Be interesting to see what's going on in Amazon, because basically they've been not necessarily caught, but what everybody thinks about their Alexa, that it's a home listening device, is true. They say that the goal of this program is to help improve the speech assistance technology. If you want to believe that, you go right ahead. Let's see. IEA says it's hard to put a finger on oil prices. Well, way to step out there. China had some good inflationary data that came out. So again, showing some positive things coming out of that region.